Absolutely beautiful. There's a little fold over there. Okay, so this isn't really Christmassy related, but we are going in to have a Sunday roast. Have an absolutely delicious meal. I'm using Blanche. Yeah! Okay, Sunday roast. And I've got my gravy, which I'm going to put on in a minute. So there's my roast potatoes, my veg, my Yorkshire pudding. Just spin it round and you can see my parsnips and carrots. So, and I've got some cauliflower cheese and 2 cows, lamb, and everything else I've got, right?
I'm not joking you. This is the nicest lamb I have ever eaten. It is magical. It kind of just falls apart and melts in your mouth, and I don't know what to say. Just have to sit here and enjoy it.
You cannot beat a Sunday roast. I've got cauliflower cheese as well. This is kind of what we have at Christmas. This kind of food, really, like Yorkshire pudding, roast potatoes, parsnips, gravy, that kind of thing. But I'll show you on Christmas Day what we're actually going to eat. But yeah, it's kind of like this kind of very Britishy, hearty kind of foodie stuff. Yeah, no, it's really, really good stuff. I love roast potatoes and stuff like that. Me and Tiff are going to be going out most Sundays to have some sort of Sunday roast. And then at Christmas Day we'll come together with our family and it will be absolutely fantastic. I'm going to go and tuck into this because it's getting cold and I'm hungry.